We have another unboxing of this. Lazy food pastas. We have 3 lazy food pastas to choose from, but I think I'm going to select the broccoli and oil and garlic pasta because I love broccoli. So let me wash my hands and get all the ingredients that I need to make my lazy food broccoli, oil, and garlic pasta. So to start this pasta off right, we're gonna do 2.5 cups of water in a pot and crank that heat up. I got my pot. I have 1 cup of water so far. Gotta get my other and half. Now next we are going to add our lazy food pasta to our water. Crank it up on high and let it boil and get to a simmer. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now on the back of this pasta bag, it says you want an extra kick, you can add chicken, sausage, or shrimp, or you can add tofu if you don't eat meat at all. I'm going to probably add some diced chicken to mine once the pasta is done, but it's going to be the Tyson grilled, already ready, oven roasted diced chicken breast. Then I'm going to season it a little bit, not do too much seasoning, but I love putting some lemon pepper on my chicken. So this is seasoning salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, minced onion, and then I have some basil leaves, a little bit of cilantro, and lastly, my lemon pepper. I'm gonna let it cook. Now our pasta is turn it down a little bit and let it simmer some more for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the noodles are done and tender how they should be. It's almost done boiling out, and the chicken is starting to cook. Now while everything is cooking, I'm just going to educate you guys on a little bit about lazy food pasta. Now, a lazy meal. You open up, pour it, and cook it. 1 pot, 0 effort. Done about 10 to 15 minutes. It has 30 grams of protein. Powered by plants with chickpeas as well as yellow pea panini. And 2 servings. Now, lazy food pasta is considered your gourmet meals for the luxuriously lazy. So this pasta gives you quality and convenience of a quick fix. Now this pasta has a perfect texture as well as high protein ingredients. Now the pasta is completely done, and the chicken. I'm gonna add my chicken, and we're done. Now let's do the taste test. Now, This is very, very good. Especially with the red peppers that they added in here. And then the chicken gives it a whole nother taste as well. Now make sure you guys go purchase Amazon.com and also join the Lazy Food Revolution. Visit lazyfoods.com as well. QR code on the back where you'll find some Lazy Food pastas, recipes, cooking tips, videos, and Italian music.